Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be making a zucchini casserole using these ingredients right here. We have the garlic, the zucchini, sage sausage, ground turkey, sauce, noodles, and some cheese. You gotta mix that cheese up. You also will need mushrooms, green peppers, and onions. Clean and chop all of that up. And we're gonna season everything with some kosher salt, turmeric, cumin, Italian seasoned black pepper, garlic powder, and some sazon with no MSG. You wanna just mix this up, make your own little season. Cook your noodles as directed on the package. You can use whatever kind you like. Preheat your oven to 375. Now you just want to start slicing up your zucchini. Now that we're done chopping the zucchini, let's get started sauteing the onions, peppers, and mushrooms. You want to saute for 30 seconds. Start browning your ground turkey, and we're going to add our sausage as well. We're just going to take the casing off. Now at this time I'm just going to add half of my seasoning, and I'm going to add the garlic. Garlic in here. Gotta add the garlic. You're gonna stir until it get nice and brown. Now we're gonna add our zucchini. We're gonna add 1/4 of the season. Just add 1/4. Then you're gonna start mixing that in. You want to put it on low, and that's a go for about 3 minutes. Now you want to add your sauce. Add the remainder of the season. Stir it up. Then you're going to put it on low for 2 minutes. Now at this time, we're just going to add our noodles. And make sure you undercook your noodles. Now you want to add some cheese. We're going to turn the eye off now because we're going to transfer this into the oven. We're going to add the cheese. Just mix everything up. It smells so good. Mix in the cheese now. Half a pack of each. And stir it up. Now I'm going to put it in a casserole dish. Mix the cheese up. We're going to add the remaining cheese on top. You want to bake them covered for about 10 minutes. You want to sprinkle a little bit of cayenne season. And bake for another 2 minutes. Now that just looked beautiful. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And subscribe. I thank you in advance. And remember, health is wealth and we must take care of ourselves.